Okay, lesson 5.6, question 5. I'm not going to write this one out for you guys, I'll just tell you. This guy agreed to make some pizza for the next yearbook planning committee. He asked the people in his group, how much pizza can you eat, how much pizza can you eat? The first guy, these aren't the actual numbers, I'll just give you some fake numbers here. The first guy tells Muhammad that he can eat 2 1/4 pizza. So this is a big guy, he's on the football team, his name's Mike, he's gonna eat lots of pizza. Then there's another girl in this planning committee, she's gonna eat, okay, maybe she'll eat a half. She's small, but she's hungry. Okay, and then you got one more person on the planning committee, they're gonna eat, let's say, let's go with 2/3. So this guy's pretty hungry too, okay? So that's basically 3 people that all want some pizza. So how much pizza is Muhammad gonna have to make all together? We just need to add these together. It's very simple. So, before we can do anything, let's come over here. We know we can't add a mixed number, so we need to change that to an improper fraction. Should be getting really fast at this now. You just take this number out here, the whole number, times it by the denominator, so that's 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Denominator stays the same, right? So these are both the same number, I'm just changing form so that I can work with it. Plus a half, plus 2/3. Now, there's a trick to this though. We need to find a common denominator for all these denominators down here, okay? Now you should, if you know your multiplication tables and your factors, you should be able to look at this and say, okay, I know that all these denominators, the number 4, the number 2, the number 3, they're all multiples of, or factors of 12, right? So, how do I transform a 4 into a 12? Well, I know that 4 times 3 is going to give me 12. Remember, whenever you do the bottom, you have to do the top. So I'll go ahead and put a times 3 over here. 2 times what is 12? Well, that's 6. Whenever I do the bottom, I have to do the top. And now, over here, I need to figure out 3 times something is 12. I know that 3 times 4 is 12. Whenever you do the bottom, you got to do the top. Okay, let's go ahead and work this out. So that's 27. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, 1 times 6 is 6. And that's going to give me 8 over 12. And now you can just simply add these 3 numbers together. The bottom, of course, stays the same because it's addition. So we know our denominator is 12. Okay, 27 plus 6 is 33. Plus 8 is 41. Yeah, 41. Okay, now we need to change that improper fraction into a mixed number. So 12 is going to go into 41 3 times. And you get 5/12. Okay, that's your answer. But because it was a word problem, we should always write a sentence to answer these word problems. So I'm going to say, let me spell his name here. Asked to make 3 5/12 pizzas. Okay, but he's probably not going to make 3 5/12. He's probably just going to make 4 pizzas and have leftovers because he knows if he makes 4, then he's going to have more than enough, right? But anyways, once you've written your answer as a sentence, go ahead and circle that up so your teacher knows where the answer is. Notice that we've stepped that down nice and clean. So everything looks tidy, everything's written nice. That's the way that it should be. And let's see here. Should be able to answer question B just based off looking at this. So that means that we're moving on to lesson 5.7.